Hello, family. You're welcome back to the cyber community. And if you are a new viewer, welcome to the creative family. Hit the subscription button if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to know whenever we upload creative and educative contents like this.
All right, family, you're welcome back to the cyber community. You're welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Oluwatobi Williams, and in this particular video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this amazing and stunning flyer design. So that's what we are going to be doing. So without wasting much of our time, let's proceed with the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to change the background color. Let me change the color of the background. Let me change it to a white color. As you can see, we have a white color, and the size, of course, the size is 1096 by 1280. That's the size of the flyer design, 1096 by 1280. So you can check it out. And so without wasting much of our time, let me quickly import the background. So let me import the background. All right, so as you can see, we have our background. Okay, so let me click on the check mark. I'll click on it, and I'll come to relative size, click on it, and increase it. As you can see, now after increasing it, I will go to my color filter, click on color filter, and I'll change the hue to something about 40. Let me use 40 or 45 or so. So let me just use this range, and I'll saturate it a bit, brighten it a bit, and give it a bit of contrast. Okay, all right, so click on the check mark, and I'll go to my opacity. I'll reduce the opacity, just reduce it to something 80. All right, so I'll click on it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to import the images, some of the images that I use. So I'm going to import them. Let me say I'm going to import them uh at once. But you know what? Let me quickly import the first one. There's something I want to show you in the rest of the image. Let me quickly import the first one and do some stuff. All right. Let me lock it. Now this is the image, so I'll click on it. Now after clicking on it, I will come to my relative size. I'll just increase it a bit to something 50. Let me just place it somewhere around this place for now. All right. Let me leave it there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, there's something I did here. Let me show you the original stuff. Now look at this particular place, this particular brown shape here that has a white stroke, this one here. So I actually created it with one of the tools here, which is called Bezier tool. But for the sake of time, I'll just import the shape. I created it, and I saved it for the sake of time. Because of this tutorial, I don't want it to be too long, so I'll just import it, and I'll include it to the resources. Okay, so let me quickly import the shape. All right, as you can see, I have the shape here. Click on it, come to your relative size, increase it. So you don't need to touch anything there, just increase it. It will automatically match to the stuff. So I'll lock it. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my text. So the name of the brand is Martin Queen Beauty Lodge, right? Martin Queen Beauty Lodge. So let me quickly write it. So let me write. And change the font. The font I used is sugar something, sugar magic. Yes, so this is the font I used, sugar magic. So you can get it. You can, I've already shared the video on how to download fonts, so you can check out the video and get your fonts, right? All right. So let me quickly put on this grid line and set it to, let's just use number 2. All right. I'll increase this one a bit. Just increase it something like this. Okay. So let me go to the color and change the color. Now, I picked this particular color from the face of the ladies. So from the face of one of these ladies. So I picked it from their face. But I can show you the tone of the color or the number. So let's quickly check it. So this is the number of the color, as you can see, 610D00. 610D00. So you can just put in the number and you are good to go, right? So I'll come to this place, Martin Queen. I'll copy it, then I'll write Beauty Lodge, and I'll place it under Martin Queen, right? Okay, so after that, I'll bring in another text. Please just follow me carefully as I'm doing it. I don't want to waste much of our time. I'll write Palace of Adornment. Okay, in this case I'm going to be using a black color. Use a black color, and the font, let me use a Montserrat font. Alright, maybe I can go with this because of our time, but take your time to work with your project. Okay, just take your time to work on your project. Let me quickly lock it to avoid touching it. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in a shape. But before I do that, let me shift all these things, just adjust them up a bit. Okay, so I'll bring in a shape. Bring in a shape. Follow me carefully and see what I'm doing to the shape. Alright. I will turn on this magnet button. So let me just click on it. Click on it. I'll put on the radius. I think I can work with 3 or 4. And the color. This is the color already. So I got the color from the face of the lady. Okay. So I got the color from the face of the lady, and let me show you the code. This is the color code F7C8 9E. All right. So I've shown you how to pick color from your I've shown you how to pick color from your resources, right? Showing you how to get colors from your resources. And just click on this place and pick the resources that you want to pick, and you use this button to select color. You'll be seeing it here. So when you get the one that you are satisfied with, so you can pick it. Okay, so that's how to do that. And come to opacity here and reduce it. Reduce the opacity. I think I can work with that 35. Come to stroke, increase the stroke to something 4 or 3. Change the color of the stroke to a white color. Alright, let me see that. Okay, I think this one is okay. So just send it to the back of the images. Just drag it to the back. Alright, so after dragging it to the back, what's the next thing to do is to add our service. Right? So I just need to adjust those things a bit. Our service. So bring in another shape, another text rather, or you can go and copy the other one. So let me just use this, our service. So after writing our service, change the color to a white color and come to this place. Come to this place. This place, right? Background here. Just click on it. Make sure you are selecting the text. Click on background and enable background. Okay. So after enabling it, click on this particular color. Right? Click on the color. Click on the check mark. You can go and change your font. You can still use Montserrat. I'm using Montserrat as a dominant font here. So just decrease it a bit and place it somewhere around this place. Let me adjust the shape a bit. Alright, I think we are cool with this, our service. So after our service, the next thing we are going to do is to put in the services, right? So let's put in the services. Okay, let me quickly check it. Let's check it. So we have hairstyling, makeup, gele styling, nail fixing, lashes fixing, and more. All right, let's see about that. Okay, where is it? So they said we have. Now after doing all this, there's one thing I love to add to my text. For some of you that are familiar with it, you already know that. So it is the bullet dot. Just love the way it adds simplicity, and you know, so it's the bullet dot. I'm going to add it now. So as after that, you click on the check mark and let me hide this. Click on it, reduce the size, change it to a black color, change it to a black color, and the font, still using Montserrat. Maybe I should use this Montserrat regular. Okay, Montserrat regular, and you go to align here. So this is your alignment. Click on align and choose this middle alignment. Choose the middle alignment. Reduce the size a bit. Okay. Alright, so place it somewhere around that place. And after that, the next thing we are going to do is to bring in another shape. Bring in another shape. Give it a bit of radius. Reduce the opacity. Let's say 25. Come to this place and give it a stroke. The color of the stroke, let it be white. And boom. Let's see. Alright. So now I'm going to import I'm going to import those pictures, right? So I'm going to import those pictures that are here, that are in this place. So let me quickly import them. Alright, so I want you to take note of something in this place. I want you to take note of something. So I want you to take note of something. Now look at this place. I'm going to all these pictures that I have here, these four pictures, right? So I'm going to choose one aspect ratio for every one of them. You know, they are not the same size, right? So I'm going to choose one aspect ratio so that they can be of the same size. What I meant is that I'll just click on this place, this 1:1 aspect ratio. So I'll click on it and I'll move it to the part I want to be visible, right? So I'll move it here, just click on it and I'll move it and click on the check mark for this. Now you can see that the second one has appeared. Click on it, move it to the part you want. Okay, boom. Another one, click on it. As you can see, this one now is already 1:1. So click on the check mark and this one you click on it. Alright, so the next thing you are going to do here is to start placing them one by one. Start positioning them. So let me hide everything first. Walk to the first one. Go to your relative size. The size I'll be using is let me use 22. Let me use 22. Let's see if I can work with that. 22, right? Let me choose the second one. Relative size 22. So let me quickly arrange it. Let me quickly arrange it. So let's just say I have these ones somewhere around this place. Let me see the other two. I use the same size for it and I'll arrange them the same way. Alright, so what I just have to do here, as you can see that the thing is going out of the boundary, so I'll just reduce the sizes of those things, right? I'll reduce their size and I'll increase the size of that shape a little bit. So let's do that. Alright, so as you can see, let's just work on this. It might not be perfect, but I want you to take your time. As you can see here, you can see the original flyer. See that you can see that I took my time to, you know, design it. So, but because of time, I just want to make everything snappy and just rush through how I did it, right? So this is how I did it. Take your time, calm down, and design yours, right? So um we're about to be through with the flyer. The next thing I'm going to do is to come to this place. I did something here in this place. So let me quickly show you how I did it. Um just come to this place, your draw tool, click on draw tool, and just increase your pen size to something like 45. Increase the smoothness and enable that neon effect. Just use your hand to draw something randomly. Just draw something randomly. Let me click on it. Might not be smooth. So after drawing it, you come to this place and change the color. Change the color. I use the white color to change the color to white. Just come to this place and place it somewhere around this place. So you have the same thing, right? That's exactly how I did it. Okay, let me reduce the size a bit. So the next thing I did is to bring in a ribbon, something like a cloth. Let me quickly import it and brush through how I did it and change the color. Alright, so as you can see, this is the cloth. Click on the check mark. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to make this color to match with the color of this stuff, right? So let me just give it let's go to color filter. And just follow me carefully as I'm doing it. Take note of the numbers. Take note of the numbers. So after doing that, just click on this check mark and then look for a place to put it. It's just to add more beauty to it. Okay, just to add beauty to it. And copy it and place it somewhere around this place and somewhere here. Copy it somewhere here, right? So that's just what I did. You can just take your time. I will include the flyer to the file resources so that you can get all those things. And the last thing here is adding the number, adding the phone number that you have to contact. Let's just look for a text to copy. Let me just copy this. Um, so you can just add your phone number, add a random number, go to color, change the color to I think it's the color of this thing. Yes, so it's the color. You just go to change the color and go to background, the same thing you did here in this our service. Just go to background and give it a white background. Boom, you are good to go. Just place it in the middle around this place. So place it here. All right, so as you can see, we've come to the end of the design. So I want you to go take your time. Do not rush it. Do not be like me. So just take your time and work on it. Did you get? Take your time and work on it. I believe you have a glimpse now of how to do it. If you don't understand the video, you can kindly watch it again, right? So that's that about that. And I want to beseech you, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first person to know whenever we upload an amazing and educative content like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below what you think about the video or any other questions that you have. So thank you very much for sticking around to the end. See you in the next video.